What's up, everybody? Damazani here. Just wanted to run a crazy idea by you. I have a question. Do you think I could run a NBA2K on a 9-year-old computer that I got for free? Let's find out. Alright, here's the machine. It is a Vostro 430 by Dell. I believe it is a first generation i5, man, I think it's a 750. i5 750, is that right? But yeah, it's a Core i5, and I think it has no hard drive. Now, the reason why I want to build this thing is two reasons. One is I got this AX1200 from a friend of mine, and that means my 650 watt power supply that was in my gaming rig, I can put in here. Now, that's only interesting because my friend also gave me an amazing video card, which I've actually already installed in here. No, it's an R290 AMD graphics card, which has 4 gigs of RAM, which is funny because that thing right there has 4 gigs of RAM. It's a RX 580. So this it's an R290. I think that's what that is. Anyway, the problem with the R290 by AMD was that it was super hot. The nice thing is this Sapphire R290 has a triple fan setup. So yeah, if you look, this is Sapphire. So this thing pops off. The Vostro 430 has this weird little bracket to hold the graphics cards in. There are these little tabs. You will need to take this tab and bend it out because the graphics card, I don't know if you can see this, but the graphics card has a really strange triangular mounting piece right here, which doesn't allow the video card hold down bracket to sit properly. But if you take a set of pliers and just bend that guy straight out, it works perfectly for a multiple card setup. Okay? So just take that one tab, bend it straight out, and it'll actually hold down the video card a little bit better. Anyway, all that to be said, this is kind of a neat project. It's got 4 gigs of RAM in it. And the only thing that makes this actually even possible is something that I have laying around right here. This is gonna get weirder. So this is my Toshiba laptop. Now, that's not a great machine. The hard drive in here is 120 gigabyte SSD. I don't even remember the brand. Brand really doesn't even matter. Okay, real quick, if I was going to do one thing different here, I would have done a 240 gig hard drive instead of the 120 gig hard drive because I couldn't fit Windows 10 and the game on the same hard drive. So that would be the only change that I would make. The 240 gig is only 28 bucks. All right, let's get back to the video. Peace. But with that, in here, the quad-core i5 first gen CPU plus this crazy graphics card, I actually think it will run NBA 2K. Now, 4 gigs of RAM is not preferred, but it is the minimum specs, so I think it'll work. So, what we're gonna do is, we're just gonna rip that apart, take the SSD hard drive out of it, put the SSD hard drive in here, try to boot it up, see if it works. Now, this thing is running a normal hard drive with Linux on it. But I'm just going to swap it out for the SSD, which has Windows 10 already. I'm not even going to reinstall Windows 10 if I don't have to, and see if it'll boot, and see if I can just move the license over that way. I don't think it's going to work great. And then it basically will be a gaming computer that was super low budget. Basically, the cost of the power supply, video card was free, SSD hard drive was free. It's in equipment I'm not even using anymore. And yeah, I'm pretty jazzed about that. So, here goes. We'll do some time lapse. All right, peace. Hope you like this. That's it. Yeah, we're gonna throw some NBA2K on here and do some benchmarks and see what it looks like. I think I'm gonna make that a separate video. This was just a quick build. The way we have it, there's an extra hard drive in there that I haven't hooked up yet. We'll maybe get a SATA cable and hook that up. But yeah, as of right now, it's good to go, and we're ready to load at least one game on it. 120 gigabytes, not a lot, but it will play one game. So yeah, let's see what it does, and maybe it'll be a good backup gaming computer or a good second PC. Maybe we can give it away or something like that. I don't know, we'll figure something out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace. Oh, by the way, like, share, subscribe to this video. Please check out our website, either lowtechsupport.com or the other website, which should be coming. I'm not going to mention that one yet. lowtechsupport.com. That's where you can find these videos, some more information about what I do. And if you need any consulting for IT stuff, just let me know. If you have any tech support issues, just shoot me a message. You can reach me on Twitter. You can reach me on pretty much anything. LinkedIn, I listen to a lot. Yeah, give me a buzz. Hope you guys are doing well. God bless you. Peace. Please leave a comment below, and let's try to get like a bunch of likes on this video. If you can, I'd appreciate it. All right. Let me know if you're interested in seeing any 2K live streams. I stream on Twitch, New Man Gaming, new with a 3, and hopefully you guys are doing well. God bless you. Peace. Bye.